Hello everyone, welcome to Technosavvys. Today I am going to show you an interesting scratch game, and I'm very sure that you all must have played it at least once. Can you guess what is it? Yes, it's hide and seek. So let's get started. So firstly, for that what we'll do is we will select our sprites. So for selecting my sprites, I will be going to choose a sprite option, and from there we'll be selecting 4 sprites. Firstly, I'll choose a butterfly, and here we are going to delete this cat sprite first. Next, let us just quickly select a sprite of a chick. Third, we are going to select a tree so that it looks more attractive. And lastly, we'll be choosing a bus. Now let us just change the backdrop, select a backdrop. So here I am going to select the backdrop of blue sky. That's all for the designing. We have selected our sprites and the backdrop. Now let's just quickly start the codes. So as we have selected our sprites, we'll be coding the butterfly first. So let's just click on the butterfly and start setting the codes. For butterfly, we'll come to the event section, and from there we will choose the block of when green flag click. Now let us just go to the variable section, and from there we'll make up a variable of our own, that will be the score variable. Now after making the variable, we'll select the block of set my variable, and at the place of my variable we'll make it to score and make it set score to 0 block. We'll come to controls, and from controls we'll choose the block of forever. After setting the forever block, from here we'll go to the motions. From motions we'll choose the block of go to random position. Now from motions we'll be going to the looks section, and from looks we'll choose the block of hide so that our sprite can hide itself. And next we will come to controls again. From controls we'll select the block of wait. Next, from the controls we'll go to the operators and choose the block of pick random 1 to 10 second and place it at the place of 1 second, and at the place of 10 we'll make it to 5. From here we'll again go to the looks section, and from the looks we'll select the block of show so that our sprite will be visible again. After that we'll come back to controls and select the block of wait for 1 second block, and at the place of 1 we'll make it to 2. That was all about when the green flag is clicked. Now let us come back to the event section and choose the block of when this sprite clicked. Next we'll come to the sounds section, and from there we'll choose the sound of chirp. Now as we have selected the sound, let us just quickly go back to our code, and from there we will select the block of play sound chirp until done. Next we'll come to the variables and select the block of change my variable, that is score, to 1. Now that's all for the butterfly. Let's just quickly move the tree here and the bus here, and let's quickly come to the chick and set up the codes for it. Now as we did for the butterfly, we'll be doing in the same way for the chick as well. Firstly, we'll go to the events section and select the block of when green flag clicked. After that, we'll come to the variables and select the block of next we'll come to the block of forever, which is there in the controls section. Now from here we'll go to the motions section, and we'll choose the block of go to random position block. After that we'll go to the looks. From here we'll choose the block of hide. Now we'll come to the controls. From the controls we'll choose the block of wait for 1 second block. Next we'll go to the operators. From the operators we'll select the block of pick random 1 to 10 second block, and at the place of 10 we'll make it to 5. Now we'll come back to looks again, and from there we'll select the block of show. From here we'll be going to controls, and from controls we'll select the block of wait for 1 second block. At the place of 1 we'll make it to 2. The green flag is clicked. Now let us just quickly come to the events again and choose the block of when this sprite clicked. Next we'll come to the sounds section again, and this time we'll be choosing the duck sound because it is a chick. So we'll use a duck sound. Now let's just quickly come back to our code section. Now from here we'll select the block of play sound duck until duck. Next we'll come to the variables, and from there we'll select the block of change my variable, that is this code variable, to 1. That's all for the chick. Now let's just quickly move to the tree. Now for here we'll come to the event section again, choose the block of when green flag clicked. Next we'll go to looks and choose the block of go to front layer. That's all for the tree. Let's just quickly move to the bus. Here we'll again come to the events and choose the block of when green flag clicked. Next we'll go to the looks and choose the block of go to front layer. As we are done with the coding and the designing section of our hide and seek game, let us just quickly see how is it looking. Oh wow, that's great. So to know more, learn new games, new fun facts, join us at Technosavvys. Thanks for watching.